platform that says it's putting the power back into creators' hands, empowering them to own their audience. Joining me now is their CEO, Tyler Denk. Tyler, welcome to NYSE Live.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. Welcome to the show.
Glad to be here.
So, Tyler, what service does beehiiv provide and who are your customers?
Yeah, so we're a newsletter platform that makes it simple for anyone to create a media business online. Our customers range from Arnold Schwarzenegger to Time to Vice and tons of other creators and publishers. We power tens of thousands of the top newsletters in the world.
All right, so if I'm a creator and I want to build an audience, how will your platform help me do that?
Yeah, we make it as simple as ever. So whether it's using AI, which leverages ability to get started quicker with less friction and even help you create content. We've also bundled email and web and monetization all into a single platform. So you can reach your audience seamlessly. You can have a website, you can have an incredibly looking newsletter, and you can monetize all within the same platform. So what used to take several different platforms, we've kind of bundled together and made it simpler for content creators and publishers to launch a business online.
So Tyler, you just mentioned that the platform uses AI. What are some of its standout features?
Yeah, so we use AI in a bunch of different ways, internally a ton. So the engineers are constantly using AI to be able to ship features faster, also for security and compliance. On the creator front, we do a few things with AI. One is getting you your account set up quicker, so less friction. Other is generative AI when creating content. So you can imagine generating text, copywriting, translating, and generating images for your newsletter and website. And then coming soon, we're also launching AI features for our website builder that will allow users to build the website of their dreams without ever having to write a single line of code.
And you talk about creators being able to own their audience. Can you talk about what that means from a creator standpoint?
Yeah, I think the common narrative today is that media is dying. But when you look at the different publishers that are having a ton of success, Morning Brew, Politico, Axios, Industry Dive, the thing that they all have in common is that they are newsletter first and they actually own their audience and distribution. That means, unlike these algorithmic feeds and platforms like Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, where you don't know if your audience is actually receiving your content, when these publishers and creators publish their content, their audience receives it directly in their inbox without middlemen and algorithms. So in a day of AI, where you see publishers losing 40 to 50% of their traffic due to Google AI summaries, it's actually never been more important to own your audience and your distribution.
And are you charging a monthly subscription fee rather than taking a cut of what the creator's earning?
Yeah, exactly. So we have a flat rate SaaS model, which we believe is much creator friendly. When you look at a lot of the common creator platforms, whether that is Patreon, Substack, OnlyFans, typically the platform is the destination and the users depend on the platform for distribution. They also take a cut of revenue from the creators, whereas beehiiv is really just the tools and infrastructure to help these creators stand up their business as a standalone brand and business. And we don't take a cut of subscription revenue. So we typically appeal to a more sophisticated content creator who is looking for brand independence and is tired of spending and giving their revenue to the platforms.
All right, so in less than 4 years since launching, beehiiv has more than 35,000 active publishers and $30 million in revenue. Congratulations. What do you attribute this rapid growth to?
Yeah, I think it's a handful of things. Our background is I previously built Morning Brew from 100,000 subscribers to 4 million readers. We built a ton of custom tech internally to make that possible. We're now democratizing that tech, that platform, and that distribution through the tools that we're building. So anyone from a large YouTube content creator to, again, Arnold Schwarzenegger, to a hobbyist and journalist who just wants to reach their audience and create great content, we've kind of brought best-in-class tools used by the top publishers and creators and made it accessible to anyone who wants to connect with their audience.
So Tyler, what is your 5-year vision for beehiiv?
Yeah, the goal in 5 years is to be standing next to you on the New York Stock Exchange. And so we'll see where that goes.
All right. Well, Tyler Denk, CEO of beehiiv, thank you for joining us.
Cool. Thanks for having me.